Let's feed Steven.
We.
Hi, Stevie.
Get the salmon.
Compress the sticks.
Yes, sir. Damn.
Look at us. Oh, Steven, well done. Oh, you're okay. Look, what's this? Here you go, buddy. Boy. Some more meat?
Dropped one.
Die.
Whoa, Steven!
This is feeding Steven. Not feeding Ethan.
I stepped out of line.
Jackass. We.
On you go, Ethan.
Please, just a little, please.
Sure, buddy.
You demand.
I am a man.